In this video, we are going to assemble TronXy X5 3D printer. Hello and welcome to Tinkerman Joe's channel. I'm Yoke Joe and I'm going to show you how to assemble the TronXy X5 3D printer the layman's way. This TronXy X5 3D printer was bought from China. I bought this 3D printer from AliExpress and I have to wait for 1 month for it to be delivered to my place. The package includes SD card data storage with USB adapter. Inside the SD card there is a file showing the manual on how to assemble the 3D printer. The first step is to assemble the frame of the 3D printer. The material of the frame is 2020 type aluminium extrusion. It took me quite a while to figure out how the heck am I going to assemble this thing. As I said before in the beginning of this video, this is a layman's way how to assemble a 3D printer. Still, I cannot figure out how to assemble this thing. Slowly and steadily, I figure out how to assemble this thing without the help of my hopeless assistants. As you can see, my assistant acted like he's the boss. Nearly finished the frame assembly. Finally, I managed to finish the assembly of the frame. The next step is for me to figure out how the heck I'm gonna assemble those moving parts and everything. What the heck am I going to do now? Maybe I should install the Z-axis motor first. Where to now? Maybe I should put this thing through the rod. I think this nut should go with the screw rod. Yeah. There are a bunch of screws here and nuts too. A bit of stress relief for a moment there. So this motor should be here. I think so. Now I have finished assembling the Z-axis mechanism. For more interesting videos like this, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. In the next video, we will see the installation of the wiring and the first print of this TronXy X5 3D printer. Adios!